pet that one, Gwen. I think they're getting hangry. They're getting hungry. Just a little bit longer and Mama's coming.